Emergency.
Go on, I'm afraid, but go on.
So I slept with this guy last night. It was fun. But before that, I did a little love spell from TikTok.
What kind of spell?
I just wrote his name on a candle and said, bind her soul to my coochie.
Why are you people like this?
And now he says his dick won't work.
Pulling cards, give me a second.
Please, I'm scared. Did I break him?
Cards, the lovers, the devil, and death. It's not dead, just in Shadow Realm.
Can I reverse the spell?
Maybe. But he must apologize to the candle, and possibly God.
He's texting me right now. He says, my soul feels sticky.
You didn't bind him to your coochie, you trapped him in it.
So romantic.
This is why witches need a license.
Universe showed you this video for a reason. Want to know what your crush really thinks about you? Message me on Instagram or Telegram with the word future, and I'll do a free tarot reading for you.